Local news for Wednesday the 6th of September. GHD consultants have been appointed to develop the business case for options for the Manawatu Gorge alternative route. It's expected that in the coming weeks a list of options will be developed and announced, along with details of public open days and other opportunities for pub people to provide feedback to help identify a preferred option for development. A car has collided with a southbound commuter train yesterday morning on Kent Street in Carterton. Luckily, there were no injuries, but police and New Zealand Rail are investigating. Buses replaced trains for much of yesterday. And the SPCA is excited by how the Wairarapa community has embraced the recent Snip and Chip campaign for the desexing and microchipping of cats in the region. During this campaign, 1,500 cats were microchipped and over 1,000 desexed. Corporate Services Manager Ross Alsford says this is a huge achievement and a significant contribution to animal welfare in the region. Ross says our inspectors have been working hard across the region and have investigated 130 cases in the last year, with a further 127 follow-up investigations. Also, the support of Wairarapa District Councils, our animal care and veterinary teams in the Wellington area have helped a further 400 animals in the Wairarapa region. And dozens of students are away this week from local high schools for the annual secondary school sports tournament. Teams are competing in several sports, including netball, hockey and football. And Seth Runce has been called into the New Zealand A cricket squad, meaning he won't be available for the local Chapel Cup series. Good on you, Seth, and well done. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.